just like you run it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So take your feet. So we already from here, right? So turn, hands up. 1, 2, 3. It's like a step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Turn to your side. When you're running, you 1, 2, 3. So turn. So you better turn this way. When you're running, turn this way. Kind of like face this way, okay? So you'll kind of face this way, but you're gonna run to your side, okay? Slide over just an inch more. There you go. Alright, so turn to your side. 1, 2, 3. It's just like the praise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Alright, so then when you get here, you know how to whip it, right? Show me your whip. Show me your whip. You know how to whip? You don't know how to whip? Alright. Oh, that's very nice.
Randy, why don't you know how to whip?
Alright, new age. Okay, ready? So when you whip, so after we're here, right? So we press it up. So then you take your right fist and you boom. It's like you drive a car. Boom. You gotta rock it. Boom. Bring your feet together. Bring your foot out. There you go. Alright, now rock it again. 1, 2, and rock. There you go. Give me one more. 1, 2. Okay, you're ready to rock up. That's how I rock. Boom. Alright, alright. So when you rock, then you 1, 2, 3, push. Alright? So we 1,